is Dallas 46, and you're watching Intrigue Airsoft.
Yeah.
One just ran left to right. Oh, fucking hit. Medic! Fuck, somebody was shooting with some fury. God damn, must have been a sniper rifle. Got hit right in the rib cage. I fucking stung through my jacket. Hit! Stairs, I hate stairs. I know. Watch if there's a guy in that building. Big Duke, Big Duke! Get on it. I don't know. Shooting this way. I don't like it. Oh, little crank off. Oh shit. Hit!